You got it? Oh, okay. We out here working out, y'all. Papa! We getting to it. We getting to it. Yeah. I got one more minute. Huh? You doing it?
Ronald Sr. was in charge of the ledgers to the dealership. We're talking the unofficial accounts where it showed all the monies.
He doing it, y'all. We doing it. No, don't get behind me because I gotta lift them up and I don't want to hit you.
Which is another big mystery here.
As the leaves change to vibrant hues this fall, the mountains of Raven County will be bursting with color. Are you ready to witness nature's breathtaking transformation? This stunning display attracts visitors from far and wide to Raven County. And while you're surrounded by the autumn leaves, enjoy our wealth of outdoor activities, like horseback riding across golden pastures or hiking in fresh air. So come for the leaves, but stay for the memories. Visit ExploreRaven.com.
Y'all see the sweat, baby? Yes. That's a workout getting put in, baby. That's that good old workout. Just all in my eye. That's in my eye. Huh? Oh, you want them to see you jump? Go ahead. Uh-oh, you got it. You got it. A little harder. Almost, Papa. You did it? Oh, my eyes closed. Maybe I missed it. Good job. Thank you.
Oh, hi, Maya. You robots are sounding more human every day.
Huh? Okay, we about to go in. I gotta do this one more time, and then we going in, okay? I don't even have my watch on.
When you imagine your future, how high do you aspire? If you were surrounded by innovators and mentors, how much did you achieve?
Watch out, I don't want to hit you with the ropes.
At Georgia Southern University, you'll spread your wings, set a course to places you will only dream of.
And that's a wrap, y'all. Baby, when I tell y'all, I am tired. Tired is an understatement. But I got it in. I got it in. Now it's time to go in this house, shower, and put my clothes on so I have workout clothes for tomorrow. That's so ghetto. But all right, y'all. Papa said bye-bye. We out. Y'all, I had to sit down. I had got real dizzy. I'm like, girl, sit down.
Ronnie DeFeo Jr.
Sit down.
the most stable of individuals. There was something odd about him.
I had got
Wasn't
dizzy
the
to the
more friendly
mud.
older brother who comes over and asks if he need help or anything. He just was this loner and